6 minus 6 gives us 0. And 6 minus 6 again is 0. And 0 times 0 gives us just 0. But hold on. Oh wow, this answer is not correct. And this is where so many people slip without even realizing it. According to the order of operations, PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division. A and S stand for addition and subtraction. We always do parenthesis first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. And remember, multiplication and division share the same priority. So we move from left to right. Same rule for addition and subtraction. So in this expression, we actually need to do the multiplication first, then handle the subtraction. Yeah, this is the twist that changes everything. 6 times 6 gives us 36. Let's rewrite the whole thing. 6 minus 36 minus 6. Now we follow the left to right rule. 6 minus 36 gives us negative 30. And negative 30 minus 6 gives us negative 36. And that right there, negative 36, is the real correct answer. If you enjoy catching these sneaky math mistakes, don't forget to subscribe for more daily math tricks.